Girls, today our subject of discussion is general knowledge and the topic we will discuss is planets. According to the Big Bang theory, the universe was created as a result of a big explosion known as the Big Bang. Ganymede is a satellite of Jupiter and the largest moon in the solar system. The English names of planets have been derived from the names of gods. Now let us dive into the details of the chapter. Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system after Jupiter. Saturn is the name of Roman god of agriculture. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. The name of the king of Roman gods is also Jupiter. Mercury is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. Mercury is the Roman god of commerce. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system. Mars is the Roman goddess of war. Venus is the Roman goddess of love. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. Uranus is the Greek god of the sky. It is the first planet to be seen through a telescope. It is the seventh planet from the Sun in the solar system. Neptune is the Roman god of the sea. Neptune is the eighth planet from the Sun. Earth is the only planet not named after gods and goddesses. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only astronomical object known to harbor life. Ceres is the Roman goddess of harvest and motherly love. Ceres is the largest object in the main asteroid belt that lies between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Sedna is the Inuit goddess of the sea. Sedna is a large planetoid in the outer reaches of the solar system. Now girls, let us solve the exercises. Number 1. Roman god of agriculture is Saturn. Number 2. King of the Roman gods is Jupiter. Number 3. Roman god of commerce is Mercury. Number 4. Roman goddess of war is Mars. Number 5. Roman goddess of love is Venus. Number 6. Greek god of the sky is Uranus. Number 7. Roman god of the sea is Neptune. Number 8. Only planet not named after gods and goddesses is none other than our Earth. Number 9. Roman goddess of harvest and motherly love is Ceres. Number 10. Inuit goddess of the sea is Sedna. Girls, we have completed the first chapter of planets. Now let us revise the whole chapter with the help of some questions. Name the largest moon in the solar system. Number 2. Who is the king of the Roman gods? Number 3. What is meant by Big Bang theory? Number 4. Name the Roman goddess of harvest and motherly love. Number 5. Which is the only planet not named after gods and goddesses? Girls, now we will do the second chapter of general knowledge. The topic is mammals. Mammal is a warm-blooded vertebrate animal of a class that is distinguished by the possession of hair or fur. Females secrete milk for the nourishment of the young. Mammals give birth to offsprings. Mammals are the smallest group of animals as compared to other groups. There are only 5,490 types of mammals, whereas the number of insect species on Earth is more than 80,000. No two zebras have the same pattern of stripes. Now girls, let us go deep into the topic. Blue whale is the largest mammal. It is also the largest animal in the world. Blue whale is a marine mammal belonging to the baleen whale suborder Mysticeti, reaching a maximum confirmed length of 29.9 meters and weight of 173 tons. It is the largest animal known to have ever existed. African elephant is the largest animal on land. The African elephant is a genus comprising of two living elephant species, the African bush elephant and the smaller African forest elephant. Both are herbivores and live in groups. They have grey skin and differ in the size of their ears and tusks and in the shape and size of their skulls. Indian rhinos have thick, hairless skin. They are also called the greater one-horned rhinoceros. They are native to the Indian subcontinent. The cheetah is a large cat native to Africa and central Iran. It is the fastest land animal, capable of running at 80 to 128 km per hour. It has several adaptations for speed, including a light build, long thin legs and a long tail. Killer whale is the fastest mammal in water. The killer whale or orca is a toothed whale belonging to the oceanic dolphin family. Kangaroos carry their young ones in pouches. The kangaroo is a marsupial from the family Macropodidae. Kangaroos are indigenous to Australia. Horses can generally run up to 61 kilometers per hour. The horse is one of the two extant subspecies of Equus ferus. Gorillas are the biggest of all apes. They are ground-dwelling, predominantly herbivorous apes. They inhabit the forest of central sub-Saharan Africa. Chimpanzees are man's closest relative. They are a native to the forest and savanna of tropical Africa. Wolves howl to communicate with each other. It is a large canine native to Eurasia and North America. Pandas and rhinos are endangered species. Seals and sea lions look similar, but seals can't move on land using back flippers, as in the case of the latter. The fastest horizontally flying bird is the spine-tailed swift. Now girls, it is time to solve the exercises. Number 1. The blue whale is not only the largest mammal but also the largest animal in the world. Number 2. The African elephant is the largest animal on land. Number 3. Indian rhinos have thick, hairless skin. Number 4. The cheetah is the fastest animal on land. Number 5. The fastest mammal in water is the killer whale. Number 6. Kangaroos carry their young ones in pouches. Number 7. Horses can generally run up to 61 kilometers per hour. 8. Gorillas are the biggest of all apes. 9. Chimpanzees are man's closest relative. 10. Wolves howl to communicate with each other. 11. Pandas and rhinos are endangered species. 12. Seals and sea lions look similar, but seals can't move on land using back flippers, as in the case of the latter. 13. The slowest animal on earth is the three-toed sloth. 14. The fastest horizontally flying bird is the spine-tailed swift. Girls, we have completed the chapter. Let us browse the whole chapter with the help of some questions. Number 1. How many insect species are there on Earth? Number 2. Name an endangered species. Number 3. Which is the fastest animal on Earth? Number 4. Name the slowest animal on Earth. Number 5. Who are the biggest of all apes? Girls, we have finished 2 chapters of general knowledge today. We will meet again next week.